You're a bad thing. I know I fucked up, I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya. Guess I'm a quitter while you're out there drinking. I'm just here thinking about whatever. You're a bad thing. I know I fucked up, I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya. Guess I'm a quitter while you're out there drinking.
The difference is with me, I never needed niggas ever. I leave them where I met them, I ain't tripping off no extra. Goons in the cut, try to talk you out your necklace. If you ever disrespect me, pussy, don't be disrespect. I said, woo, I said, I know, I know, I know.
This time. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that shit, but what the fuck? I've been chasing bitches and the money since.
I'm begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. Now, baby, dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I do. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I do. Gravity is working.
Lay your head down so I can work it, work it, work it, work it. Ole, ole, ole.
To see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before.
I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see. Come on and step out of the cage, turn a chapter, turn the page.
Oh my gosh, I really didn't think that this is gonna work at all. But if you search The Wizard of Oz and you click on these shoes right here, this is what happens.
There's no place like home.
Won't you take me home? I wanna ride it. I wanna know. Ride it. Just lose control. Ride it. Ride it. My soul. Ride it. Ride it. Let me feel you. Ride it.
What? Oh my god. Stupid boy think that I need him. I go cold like changing seasons.
CEE through, what all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s, fucking around with me. You see, I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not.
Hey Panini, don't you be a.
Oh no. Do you smell that? They're coming. Be gone, thoughts. Go away. I'm a man of God.
Tell me how you hate me, erase me, race me. Wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby. Tell me how you hate me, hate me, hate me. Still trying to replace me, chase me, chase me. Tell me how you hate me, erase me.
my name a yellow heart.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of you.
Backwards, upside down, and inside out. So hold on, or it'll fall down.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the
Soldier boy, tell them the dance flow silly. The ladies gon' feel me. The fellas in the back and they twisting up a Philly. Get silly, hey, get silly.
There's a dark side